My daughter told me about a social media trend called girl math. Girl math means justifying a decision, usually about shopping, using faulty logic.
So this was actually £30, but it was actually way cheaper than that because it is reversible. So that means it was only £15 because I bought 2 tops.
It's free chips and guac with any purchase.
Did you say free chips and guac?
With any purchase, yeah.
So we're losing money if we don't go.
Girl math is blowing up. It's even being used as a verb to girl math someone. There's a lot I could say about how this feeds into toxic gender stereotypes around math, but I'm not going to do that here. There's a link in the description to a video that does if you're interested. What I want to talk about is actually what I like about girl math. When my daughter first told me about it, my initial reaction was, turn off that garbage, stop watching it. But she didn't, because it's trending and the kids at school are talking about it and she's interested. So I thought about it, I watched some videos, and I realized that this trend actually creates an opportunity for parents to help their kids think critically about math. Girl math reflects the kind of reasoning that marketing agencies use to manipulate consumers. Like, for just 82 cents a day, you can sponsor this animal in need, and by the end of the year, you've spent $300. Or upgrade from a grande latte to a venti for only 50 cents and you get 25% more.
Mommy, why do you buy the largest size drink from Starbucks?
Because it's only 70 cents more than a medium, so it's basically a free upgrade.
Mommy, that's girl math.
Most of the math being done in girl math is percents, averages, unit rates, middle school math topics.
I went to 6 stores today and spent $120 at one, but 0 at the other 5. So that's only $20 per store, which is actually saving money because it's under my $50 budget. Girl math!
The thing I like about girl math is it reminds us that math is thinking, that numbers are not black and white, they're not static, they only have meaning in context. Like, how big is 320? Well, 320 years is the blink of an eye in human history, but it's also 4 lifetimes. Or when is a $400 suitcase cheaper than a $100 suitcase? After 4 years, if the less expensive one only made it for a year, because the price per year to own it is lower. We're all doing nonstop calculations every day. We're tracking our steps, we're comparison shopping, we're deciding which route to take so we spend less money on gas. And yes, some of us are debating whether or not to upgrade from the grande latte to the venti. Engage your kids in this day-to-day reasoning. Address their misconceptions. Point out marketing tactics. Relate this to the math that they know already, whether it's just which number is bigger or logarithmic price scales. Show them that you value what they're thinking. This will make them feel more confident, more connected to their world. And actually, down the road, that means it'll save you money on therapy. So at $250 a session each week for a year, I just saved you about $13,000 just by making this video. You're welcome.